Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Naughty Threads. Today's video is very helpful, especially if you are a beginner when it comes to the sari tassel designer. So please do watch the video till the end. To start with, you will need 3 spools of silk thread. I am adding a little glue so that it becomes easy for me to insert all 3 together into the needle, and take about around 40 to 50 centimeters long thread. Double it so that in total I have around 6 strands, and I have knotted this together. So this is the length of thread you will need. You can take slightly longer if you want to repeat the process more number of times. And then, using a visiting card, I have folded it 3 times so that I have about 1 inch wide cardboard piece. And to finish off or tie the kuchu, you will need 2 strands of zari and needle. So basically, to work this design you will need 2 different needles, one for silk thread and one for zari. And like you see on the screen, I'm placing 2 of my fingers so that throughout the pallu the distance is even, and keeping the right side of the sari on top, I have pierced the needle from the wrong to the right side, and then I have fixed the knot like this. We will need 2 types of beads for this. One is the flat bead and one is this round 3 mm bead. So I have taken 4 beads into the needle. So once you have 4 beads in the needle, place the cardboard like this, and then place the bead, the flat bead, on the pallu, and then go inside the flat bead. It's very simple. So even if you have just started working sari kuchu design, then this is like a must try for you guys, because it's very easy and simple to do. So once I add the beads, and the second time I go in without the beads. Otherwise it will be too much of beads and then we will not have any, the bunch will be very thin. So just to add volume, you can go ahead and do an alternate way. Once we go in with 4 beads, and the next time we just go in without the beads. So this is how you will have to repeat the process. It completely depends on you as to how much thickness you want for the tassel. So about 7 to 8 times will be a decent count. So depending on the number of rounds you want to go, you will have to decide the length of the thread initially in the needle, right? So in this for this particular design, I have taken dull gold beads, but the choice is completely yours. You can go ahead with flashy gold or dull gold or anything of your choice. Now this particular sari I am working on does not have a flashy gold border. It just has some antique gold kind of border. So that is the reason I chose these dull finished beads instead of flashy gold. So accordingly you can decide yourself. So here I have gone about 5 times now, and then going in without any bead. So again, like I mentioned, it is completely up to you. There is no rule as to you also have to follow the same number, because the individual choice would vary from person to person. Some people will like too much beads, so you might want to go 2 rounds of beads and then go empty once, like 2:1 or 1:1, like how I am doing it in this video. So the choice is completely on you, but in this video I'm just sharing the method on how to do this design in a very easy and simple way. So this is my last round. So once I have finished all the thread that is in my needle, I'm going to pull this the card very carefully, and then balance or arrange the threads neatly, and then using our zari and the other needle, we will tie it like we always do, like pierce it and then go around and knot it 3 times. So this is the method I follow to finish off the tassel bunch always. And then I'm going to trim the extra thread and also trim the silk thread that is extra. So it's very simple and easy. If the sari has too many colors, you can use almost all the colors as in the sari, and do each one in one color. And if it is just 2 colors, you can alternate it, or you can mix the colors while you are preparing the thread as well. So that's all in today's video. In case you like the video, do give us a like, and do let me know what you think about this video in the comments below, and it will definitely help me and motivate me in creating more content. So I shall see you guys soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.